All right, so we are out cruising our 240s, and we found a scale, so we're out weighing our 240s. Check it out. I zoom in up there, bam. So I got Mike in his Type X. Let's go see what he's making. $2,500. 2,500 pounds? Stand on the scale. Is it more accurate or? Yeah, wow, it's pretty accurate. Damn, so it's accurate maybe to between 5 or 10 pounds, so that's not bad. So his car weighs 2,500 pounds, no interior. He's got no interior and no cage. I've got full interior and cage. I also have the hiccups. But I'm gonna weigh mine here in a second. Tom's in his VQ S14. So we're gonna see how much Tom's weighs, and yeah. All right, Tom's going up now. He's got a fully caged, tubed front S14 with a VQ35 HR swap. S14 Zammy. You can't read it. That says 2820. 2820. Not bad. Now he's gonna hop out. 2620. Hell yeah. So, God, the lighting. So 2620 on an S14 VQHR swap with full cage, full interior, and a tube front. And metal fenders. And stock 14-inch wheels. All right. I'm gonna go now. Just backing up. All right. Drive up onto the scale. Oh. Okay, you can't see it, but that says 2760. And I'm 140 pounds, so 2620? Okay. $2,620, 2,600. I don't even think it's gonna show up on my camera. I'm literally right up on the fucking sign. 2,600, and there's my 240. What was yours, Mike? 2,500. 25 on the dot. I thought I was gonna be like 200 pounds more than you. I'm only 100 pounds.
Yeah, and then you're 20 pounds less than Tom. Sometimes it's 20. You're like 26.
Yours was 26?
2620.
Oh my God. So literally this car and this car weigh the same. And this car's full cage. And a VQ swap. Wow, and this car makes an extra 100 horsepower more than mine, at least.
100 to 150.
Jeez, that's cool. Well, shit, dogs. That was a lot of fun.
Red light, I'm like, it's on.
It's on, yeah. Thank you for showing us the scale. That's it. That's it for our little excursion tonight. Thank you for.
We're same weight.
So it just moved over to 2620. So me and Tom weigh the same.
My car burns oil. Yours slowly gains it.
Yeah, that's so cool.
We know what our cars weigh.
Yeah, I had no idea what my car was gonna weigh, and now I do. So that was a lot of fun. Just so you know, just any old random trucking shipping facility will have one of these scales. So
Just cut the lock and drive in.
we didn't cut any locks. Disclaimer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.